Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Jeep by Delta Children Classic Convertible 2-in-1 high chair, designed for both babies and toddlers. This versatile high chair can be effortlessly transformed into a convenient toddler seat, featuring 6 adjustable height positions, a 5-position recline, and a 3-position adjustable footrest, ensuring a perfect fit for your growing child. Crafted with high-tech PU leather fabric, this chair is not only durable but also easy to clean, complemented by a sturdy steel frame for long-lasting use. The removable tray insert is dishwasher safe, making mealtime cleanup a breeze, while the fabric wipes clean effortlessly. With assembled dimensions of 30 inches long, 19.5 inches wide, and 41 inches high, this high chair offers a quick and compact fold for easy storage, with the feeding tray conveniently attaching to the back when folded. Safety is our top priority, which is why this high chair comes equipped with a 5-point safety harness and is JPMA certified, meeting or exceeding all ASTM and applicable CPSC standards. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.